All of you, please help me. I'm just like using whiteboard to introduce a new concept which we have not surely done in our last class. That is called binomial theorem probability. Before that, let me have a quick recap what we have done. I guess we have done 5 cricket matches and maybe like 3 coins case. If I recall, somebody was telling 5 coin case we have done.
Yes, sir.
And,
Yes, sir.
This kind of tabular form we have done in whiteboard.
No, sir. Tabular.
So,
we didn't do.
Okay, let me see. One of you should help me so that there is no repetition. Now, all of you quickly in a fresh space write this table and we'll be extending it to 10 matches. When we have 5 matches, let me put a variable xb here, number of successes. Okay, here xb, number of hits. Here xb, also number of hits. And here similarly x will be number of hits. Can you also guess what will be here? Jatin, x will be
Number of means winning matches. Means
number
matches
of successes. So in
Success.
short, I'm writing S, right? Now, Bhavani Bhatt, all of you, please save time. What would be different values of X? Please be quick, Bhavani Bhatt. What will be different values of X?
What will be different values of x number of
Asirvad Naik, take
different
over. Asirvad Naik, jaldi bol, save time.
X equal to number of successes 1/2.
What will be different values alternatives? What is X?
X equal to number of success or number of failures.
Number of successes when five matches are played. We have solved 5 cricket one-day matches played between Australia and Bangladesh, Manjot. So
yes, sir.
what may happen
So,
as outcome?
sir, over here we can have 9 win and 1 lose, or 8 win.
कहाँ पर हो Manjot? Have you gone to Bangladesh or Australia? How
Sir,
many
10
matches are there?
matches.
How many matches are
Oh,
there?
5. I am telling about 10 matches, sir. Sir, in 5 matches, 4 matches should be a win and 1 should be a lose, or 3 matches should be a win, 2
X,
matches should be a lose.
dear Manjot, dear. What is X?
X is number of success.
Win or
Of
loss.
a team. It could be Bangladesh, it could be Australia. If it is Bangladesh to start with, what would be the minimum success? How many matches?
Sir, 1 match win.
Why not 0?
1 match win and 4. Sir, because you said minimum match win.
अरे हार भी सकते हैं ना सारे. X का मतलब different possibilities, possible outcomes. You are having 5 matches. You are viewing out of the 5 matches, what will happen, the number of wins to a team could be like Bangladesh or Australia. So it could be 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, and 5. So these are called values of X. Asirvad Naik, is it difficult?
No, sir.
Then we should be in a position to find the respective probability, which will be denoted by Px. It is small x. So when x is 0, Asirvad, it will be P0, it will be P1. This way, rotations will be putting it.
P1.
Right? Okay. Anybody who recall what we've done in the last match, what would be the formula for P2? Jatin to answer, then Tanaya Mukhopadhyay get ready for P3. Jatin, P2, jaldi bol.
Sir, 5C2.
Very good.
Then 2 matches wins. Then 2 by 5 to the power 2.
What were the success of Bangladesh? Chance of winning by Bangladesh.
Yes, sir.
We had done this, na?
Yes, sir.
That was 0.3. I've forgotten.
No, sir. Actually, I have not written that.
So 2 success means 0.3 to the power 2. And failure was 0.7 to the power 3.
Power 3.
Nilesh take over, Tanya take over, then Nilesh Kumar. Tanya, P3.
P3, sir, 5C3, 3 to the power
0.3 to the power.
0.3 to the power 3 and 7 to the power 2.
0.7 to the power.
0.7 to the power 2.
Nilesh Kumar take over, save time. What is P0? Please, all of you save time. Nilesh, can you hear me?
Yes, sir. 5C0.
Yes. Next, Harsha Singh, get ready.
Yes, sir.
Uh,
5C0 into 0.3 to the power 0.
Very good. Jaldi bol. 0.7 to the
Into
power.
0.7 to the power
Harsha Singh, take over. Harsha Singh.
5.
Harsha Singh, you are there.
Yes, sir. Hello, sir.
Please tell about P4.
So 5C4
Hmm.
into 0.3 to the power 4
Hmm.
into 0.7 to the power 1.
Wow, great. Barsha Barik, take over.
Yes, sir.
When this question we have done, listen, Barsha. We are moving to this third column. Is my screen visible? Same way, this
Yes, sir.
question, listen, this question we have done. What will the different values of x? What will be
5
the different values
points.
of x?
Zero head. Zero head means so
1,
0,
2,
1,
3, 4,
2,
5. Okay.
3,
The
4.
values of x will be 0 head, 1 head, 2 head, 3 head, 4 head. So notation wise, we used to put it P0. What is the meaning of P0? Barsha Barik. Just tell me.
Probability of getting zero head.
Wow, great. Can you please help me how we have done this exactly 0 head? How we have found this? Any volunteer, raise your hand.
Sir,
1
Barsha?
minus total
5.
of head.
No, 0. Barsha, you are correct. Barsha, thank you.
5C.
Sir, 5C0.
Wow, great.
Then probability.
What is the chance of getting a head? This was half and was equal to tail. Remember this?
Yes, sir.
How you are forgetting, Barsha? Anyone volunteer? Mona Lisa Pradhan?
5C0.
Yes.
Sir,
Into
1 by 5.
1 by
Sir,
2 whole to the
1 by
power 5.
Yes.
1 by 2 whole to the
Barsha, why you are forgetting?
So
That was
actually, what I have
1.
written, I am very confusing in that.
Acha. Okay. Now give it a try. Ashribad, you told 1 by 2 to the power 5.
Yes, sir.
Address to Barsha. Explain clearly why it is 1 by 2 to the power 5.
5C0 into 1 by 2
Say
whole.
loudly. Address to Barsha 1-to-1.
Okay. Yeah, but sir, listen. As we done in the matches, like then for 0 heads 5C0, that is the probability into, and winning of probability is 1/2 whole to the power 0, so that 0 heads, and the probability of getting tail equal to 1/2 also, that why it's 1/2 whole to the power 5. As we combine this, then 1/2 whole to the power 0 plus 5, that's why 1/2 whole to the power 5.
Varsha, is it okay or gone as a bouncer over your head?
No,
Be,
sir. Is it okay?
be
No,
honest.
it is
Be
okay
honest.
now.
Honest. I'll ask
Yes.
Varsha if
Yes,
I
sir.
understood.
Yes, sir.
Be honest. Pakka, 100%.
Yes, sir.
Pakka.
Yes,
Just
sir.
explain me how, why it is half to the power 5.
Sir, it is half to the power 5 because probability of getting head is here it is half to the power 0, and probability of getting tail is half to the power 5.
Okay.
So
Done. Thank you. Thank you. All of you, please listen. Jaswanta Pradhan, Subhojit De, Kirti Pragya, that order. You remember your order. Jaswanta Pradhan, Subhojit De, and Kirti Pragya respond. Jaswant, what would be P1?
Yes, sir. 5C1.
Mhm. Over.
Again, it will be same, sir. Half to power 5 will read.
Very good. Very good. Next speaker. Next speaker is there.
Sir, 5C2. Sir, half to the power 5.
Very good. Next speaker.
Sir,
Go to P5.
P5. Sir, 5C5
Mm.
and half to the power 5 and half to the power 0.
Okay, very good, very good. Thank you so much. Thank you. Now, whenever I'm asking, all of you please save time and respond. Huma and Prayagraj in that order. Huma, you are there? Huma.
Yes, sir.
Now your network issue is over. Last time you had some problem, I guess.
Yes, sir.
Huma, just listen to me. What would be the different values of X in the next column? We are tossing 10 coins. Is my screen visible?
Yes, sir.
Jaldi bol. Next Prayagraj, get ready. Next Ayush Vishwas. Uma, jaldi bol. Please look at here. What are the values here? Please respond, Uma.
Sir, is it 1, 2, 3, 4, 5,
Zero
6?
say. Don't forget 0. 0, 1, 2, 3. 0 head भी हो सकता है. Okay. So up to 10. Last will be 10. Now look to the previous column. Can you give it a try? What would be P0? Try, give it a try. Easy question.
10.
Please be louder. You are correct.
10C0.
10C0. Then over. Half to the power.
No, sir, I don't remember.
अरे half to, यहाँ देखना कैसे हो रहा है ये?
10.
Yes. थोड़ा सोचना पड़ेगा ना. प्रयाग P1. What is P1? Prag.
Sorry, sir. Yes, sir. 5C1.
Sorry,
10C1. 10C1.
You are not listening here. 10C1.
After the power 10.
Very good. Ayush dear, take over. Jaldi, save time. Go to P4.
Sir, 10C4, 10 to the power, half to the power 10.
Very good. So like with your permission, I'm just like, is it okay or it is making clumsy? We can do here. Now this coin case, you are taking it simple, half to the power, whatever coins are there, 5 or 10, whatever doing it. But please see, here you are having two factors. So what is the difference? Why it is so? Are you marking the difference? Arpita Naik and Saiti Ghosh in that order. Arpita Naik and Saiti Ghosh in that order.
Yes, sir.
Do you find the difference? First column and third and fourth column. What is the difference between the two? Please save time, Jaldi. Try. Please try. Saiti, can you give a try? Saiti, if possible.
Yes, sir. In the first column, we took the decimal points and we took both the success and the failure of the matches. And in the third and fourth column, we took the fraction value and we deducted the powers of the two because the fraction is same in both the.
Got it. Siddhant, can I have a better, very clear distinction between the first example, third and fourth example? Siddhant Kapil and Mikisa Naik. So that
I'm not that clear with the coins.
No.
Sir,
So what is the
to be
difference?
very honest, I'm not.
Siddhant, sunna.
Sir, it's like sir.
Bol.
So it's like first the outcomes, there are 5 outcomes and then there are 10 outcomes. And after that, yeah, as the decimal points you said, there are two things, success and failure.
Okay, Siddhant. Mikisa, do you have got any better suggestion? What do you feel? What is the difference between these examples?
Sir, in matches, we depend on the loss or the lose or the success of the match, but in coins, it depends on the head or tail. So there are always two outcomes. We always divide 1 by 2 to the power number of points given. And in matches, we have to take the loss in points, and on that, we'll take the power.
Okay. No, Asrit, I'll take only last example, then I'll take over. Asrit, would you have like some clear explanation, Asrit? What do you feel? What is the distinction between the first example, third and fourth example?
So the outputs are the difference.
Like? Okay. Just to save time, I know that some of you have got better answer. Just to save time, I'm taking over. All of you please listen. First example, probability of success and probability of failure, they were unequal. Do you agree? And second, third, and fourth example, probability of success equals to probability of failure, which we wrote as probability of getting a head equals to probability of getting a tail, and it was half. When it is equal, then you are multiplying the probabilities into that number. Suppose you wanted 3 heads, so it was like half, and tail also. This is for head, and similarly for tails, you also had half into half. But when you are multiplying, so it looked like same, up to the power 5. Is that okay? Now in this case, so success, suppose for example, it is denoted as small p and it is denoted as q. If it is 5 matches, what happens here? You are multiplying 1 success, suppose exactly 3 success, 2 failure, right? So 1 success here, 1 success here, 1 success here, and then failure. So you cannot have like this. You have to have p to the power q, q to the power 2, okay? And you multiply the combination. If it is 3 out of 5, then you add 5c 3 times kind of. So this is the difference, okay? Now have a just a simple understanding between the difference between the two. I'm just extending it to 10 matches, but that was the last example here. So we'll be trying to compute in 10 matches if probability of a success is, say, for example, P, and probability of failure is, say, for example, Q. Okay? Is that clear? Now, let X be the number of successes. Right? So the value of X, what we discuss, will be 0 success, 1 success, 2 success. These are exactly 0 success, exactly 1, like this, up to 10 success. Now, how do we find the respective probabilities? And the notation we'll be using, all of you please remember, as Px. P0 means exactly 0 success. P1 means getting exactly 1 success. Similarly, P10. Okay? Siddhant, am I making it clear? Siddhant, Kabi? Siddhant, you are there?
Sir, he is writing in the chat box. He said yes, sir.
Okay. Can you take over?
Sir, P0 equals to 10C0, P to the power 0, Q to the power 10.
Wow. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. Anybody having doubt here? Can I just ask randomly? Lipika Panda, then Sarit. Lipika, you are there?
Yes, sir.
P1. What should I write?
NC1, P to the power 1, Q to the power 9.
Q to the power?
9.
Very good, very good. Sarit?
Yes, sir.
Go for P5.
Sir, 10 to the power C5.
10 to the power or 10C5?
No, sir, C5, P to the power 5, Q to the power 5.
Wow. Very good. All of you are clear? Saiti Ghosh, you are there?
Yes, sir.
Is it clear? Okay. Anybody having doubt, please ask me. Now, Balaji, you are now the teacher for this class. Balaji, you are there? Balaji, then Riya Mishra.
Hello.
Balaji, can you hear me? Okay, network problem. Riya, take over. Riya, listen. Now,
Yes, sir.
what I'm doing, Riya, taking over. In place of 10, I am making it a general. Let it be n number of matches. Okay?
Okay, sir.
Then, if it is n number of matches, number of success will be 0, 1, 2, 3 up to n. Do you agree with me?
Yes, sir.
Is it possible if it is n? Think it over. Take 1 minute. Suppose there is a term, small x, could be general. Is it possible to write a formula? What would be the probability computation formula for Px? What is the meaning of Px? Px is getting exactly x success out of n matches. Very good. Riya, help me.
Yes, sir. The formula should be NCX
Wow.
P to the power x.
Wow.
And Q to the power n minus x.
Great. Uma and Saiti Ghosh. Do you agree? Are you clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, okay. So this is what actually, through your help, I have derived a good formula, which is actually known as binomial probability formula or binomial probability theorem. Okay, so I've got a structured presentation. Let me show you if we have done it. Dheeraj, is my screen visible? Dheeraj?
Yes, sir, your screen is.
Yeah. So I guess, why it is taking me to first slide? Okay. Sorry. So this is what we have done quickly. recap this formula we have done, and these are the exercises we have completed. And this, I hope you remember, we have done it. And this is the cricket match example that we discussed also today. And these are the conditional probability which we discussed this way. And this example, if I have requested you, fine, or else note it down. This same example, all of you try as a homework. You need not submit to me. This example, which you had solved without using any formula, can also be solved using conditional probability. You can refer the self-check exercise in Levin's book, 4.10, answers given. Try to understand. And here in red, I have given like how you should put the symbol for conditional probability. And the probability formula, should you all use this. This is optional. If you are okay, if you can understand, you can try using the formula. But I think we had given one better approach. Even without using formula, we can solve this that we have done in the class. And here is what we have just solved in whiteboard. Binomial probability theorem or formula. This is for chance of getting X successes in N trials or experiments will be given by NCX, V to the power X, Q to the power N minus X, where all of you may please note it down quickly in your notebook. Of course, this PPT will be shared. X can have values 0, 1, 2, 3 up to N that we have just discussed now. X 0 means 0 success, 1 means 1 success, and we can apply the formula. Now, this example, let's try to solve if we can solve it ourselves. Either you all take a screenshot, or can you please open the QT handbook that I had shared. Can you please check towards end of the QT handbook, you will be finding some model questions for exam that is in set 1. Have you all taken this screenshot? This will be solving now. Okay.
Sir, check in photo.
Okay, great. And maybe like you can put it please on my behalf in the WhatsApp group. I'm stopping it so that interaction will be better. Maybe like some of you, at least 30-40% of you, those who are not having network problem, please switch on so that the participation will be better and the interaction will be better. I would request at least 25% of you switch on your video, those who are not having network issue, I'll be having. Okay, Dheeraj or Manjot or any one of you, can you please quickly open the QT handbook? I would like to suggest you towards end of the handbook, there are some model questions which actually meant for your final end-sem exam. Slowly, we'll be discussing all examples that is given there. I would be happy, Manjot, if you can please check quickly the soft copy of QT handbook that I had given, and can you please
Yes,
tell
one
me
minute.
the page number of
Towards the end of the chapter or at the end of the book?
Towards end of the book here. Model
Page
question.
number 80.
Oh, wow.
So page number 80.
All of you refer to page number 80, model questions, set 1, question number 1. Page number 80. So those questions are selected questions. Slowly, in the days to come, we'll be solving together. And those are the standard questions. Okay. Who can explain us the meaning of the question? Then we'll discuss together. Nivedita, give it a try. Nivedita, look to the question. Can you help me explaining to the entire class? Then Dheeraj Singh. Nivedita, then Dheeraj. Get ready, save time. Please save time.
Sir, in the question we are given that to assume that half of the population is vegetarian. So that the chance of an individual being vegetarian is half. We need to assume that 100 investigators each take sample of 10 individuals to see whether they are vegetarians or not. So we need to find out how many.
Nivedita, you are vegetarian or non-veg?
Sir, I'm non-vegetarian.
Purely non-veg, like me.
Sir, not like that. I occasionally eat non-veg.
Okay. Now, let me give you some tips, hints here. Dheeraj, Nilesh Kumar, Jaswant, listen to me. Whenever you are getting a probability formula, particularly coin tossing, matches, binomial, we can solve, we can find, we can compute probability of any question if you get two values. You will be using this formula which you have written now. Nilesh, what are the two values we will be searching for from the question? Nilesh Kumar.
N and P.
Please be louder, you are not audible.
So the two values we'll be searching are N and P.
Wow, great. Thank you so much, Nilesh. Liked it very much. All of you listen to Nilesh. You have to search from the question, what is my N value, small n, what is my P values. Varsha Barik, though I thanked profusely Nilesh, I think he has missed something else. Varsha Barik, do we also need to know something else or two will be enough?
Sir, I don't get the questions.
We need X also.
And
X. We need X also.
X to milega, but the values are will be N and P. He is correct. So I thought कि somebody will be confusing. Should we also try to find Q value? All of you please remember, when P is known, Q value is implied. How will we getting Dheeraj Q value from P?
So minus by 1.
Yes, 1 minus P. 1 minus P, all of you write in a notebook. Q equals to, Varsha you are writing, Varsha Barik. 1 minus P equals to
Yes,
Q.
sir.
Right? Varsha, you explain the last sentence of the question. What is the meaning of last sentence? Read the question, last sentence, what you understand, tell me. Then we can help. Siddhant, what is your problem, dear? What is your problem, Siddhant?
Sir, bandwidth issues.
तो रागीचु जाने के लिए केतल बंद करछो वर्षा जल्दी tell
Sir, means at most three people or at most three people are vegetarian. We have to find that at most three people are vegetarian.
So what is the meaning? Can you further elaborate, simplify? What is the meaning of most? Tanya Mukhopadhyay.
So the cases will be 0, 1, 2, and 3.
All of you agree? P0 plus P1 plus P2. Should we add also P3? Manjot, should we add
Yes,
P3 or not?
3 or less.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Tejaswini, what would be P0 here? Look to the question. Okay, stop. Tejaswini, a small short question. Here, what would be your N?
Yes, sir.
All N?
So 10.
All of you agree? 10 or 100? Nivedita?
100.
Who told 100? Tanya, na? Who told
No,
100?
sir, I said 10.
Who told 100?
There will be 10.
Who told 100?
Sir, me.
Very good. Akankha is always aiming high. She is very optimistic. She doesn't like 10, 25. 100 out of 100 you want. Now, sample is 10. Okay? 10 will be 10. We'll be finding the probability. Once you find probability, then finally we'll have to multiply 100 as number because this we want in number. Okay? All of you have 2 minutes time. Solve it. I'm waiting 2 minutes, 120 seconds. If you know the trick, you can solve it faster. Here it is similar to coin tossing, so it will be half to the power 10. Tanaya, am I making sense? Tanaya?
So we can take the half to the power 10 common over here.
Wow, great. Can you explain bit clearly to your friends? Some of your friends may be needing help. Maybe.
So each case 10 to the power 10C0 plus into half to the power 10 plus 10C1 into half to the power 10 plus 10C2 into 10 half to the power 10. So we are half to the power 10 is common for each, so we can take half to the power 10 common, and then 10C plus 10C0 plus 10C1 plus 10C2 plus 10C3. Sir, you are on mute.
Sorry, Saiti, you are there?
Yes, sir.
You repeat what she told now. Have you understood?
Yes, sir. So
Explain.
she said that as the probability will be 10C0 plus half to the power 10 plus 10C1 plus half to the power 10. So it will continue till 10C3 plus half to the power 10. So we will take half to the power 10 common and multiply it with by 10C0 plus 10C1
great.
plus 10C2
I'm so
plus
happy, dear.
10C3.
Jaldi kar. You have got a calculator, Saiti?
Yes, sir.
Jaldi kar, fatafat. Anybody found the answer?
Yes, sir.
Jatin?
0.171875.
So what next? What should be done, Jatin? Next. Is it the answer? Look, Ipsita Das.
We have to multiply with 100.
Very good. Once you multiply 100, what is the answer?
17.1875.
Should we put it fractional or should we round it off, Ipsita?
Sir, let me, sir, 30 seconds.
Very good. Read the question.
Sir, we have to round off because it has been asked how many
Very good. Ipsita,
investigators.
Thank you. It's a number. Don't leave as fraction. All of you round it. Ipsita, what is the final answer? Thank you, Ipsita. Well done. After rounding off, what is the answer?
Sir, actually, I'm in the calculation only. Sir, can I ask Jatin? Jatin solved it now in the
Jatin told the fraction, na?
17 point. Jatin,
1875.
Sir, I think as it is
Nilesh,
17 point.
Ipsita, listen to Nilesh.
Okay.
Nilesh.
Yes, sir. The answer I got is 17.1875. So if we round it up, then the answer will be 17.
That is correct. Jatin, you check again. It will not be 18, it will be 17, I guess.
Yes, sir. 17. I said 17.187.
Okay. So rounded off 17.
17.
Sir?
17.
Ipsita, bol.
Sir, actually, we know that if number is like x.5 or it is exceeding, we just take it x plus 1 in the round off. It is like the normal. But when we are taking here, it's like a number of person. So as it is not exactly 7, it's slightly exceeding. Won't we count it like वैसे डेसिमल जब हम लोग ऐसे राउंड ऑफ करते we know that 0.5 से ज्यादा होता है then
Interesting. Ipsita, I would request you, this concept we are not discussing now. Please don't forget, note it down. Listen. Interesting. We need to discuss. We have normal distribution. In a notebook, please note it down. In normal distribution, we have got 2 such examples where we will be discussing where to round it off to next number, where to round it off to lower number. Okay, that will be the appropriate time through appropriate example. If we discuss in the class, it will be well understood by one another. You remind me, and when I'll be covering normal distribution, there it is being discussed. Okay.
Okay, sir.
Okay. Moving forward. All of you, can I request all of you stop writing? Please concentrate. And the last one, I think what somebody suggested would be Bayes theorem, right? All of you, please stop writing, concentrate, and ask me if I'm not clear. Dheeraj, help me out. If I'm not audible, you can stop me, ask me to repeat again. I'll be giving one example to introduce Bayes theorem, so that it will be clear. Bhavani, you are listening to me or writing something? Bhavani, what? Listen here, look through the screen. Example is the production of LED bulbs, okay? And the case is defective LED bulb found in market. The case is there. Siddhant, look to the screen, stop writing. Say one industrialist like Siddhant Kavi got order from government to supply LED bulb to save energy as the government scheme, okay? Now what he is having, as he got bulk order, he will be using many machines. All of you see, here is a machine 1, here is machine 2, and here is machine 3. As the look appears, the capacity or production volume varies. Say for example, the capacity mix is like this, okay? First machine manufactures 45% of the total bulbs Siddhant would be selling to market. Second machine produces 30% of the total, and third, the rest. And the machines are producing the bulbs in parallel. What is the meaning of Tejaswini Nayak producing in parallel? Anybody?
They're operating together.
Together? Okay. Anybody from engineering line? What is the opposite of production? Parallel production? What is the opposite of parallel production? Parallel operation. What is the opposite to parallel operation? Anybody from engineering? Or you have forgotten all engineering?
Series production.
Series connection.
Wow, wow. Who told series?
Sir,
Thank you.
Kirti.
Thank you. Thank you, Kirti. What is the difference between Kirti, parallel and series production?
Sir, series connection means they will be wired in one line, so that if one is disconnected, then the other two will also not operate. But parallel connection means like lithium lights are connected, the wires. Like if one is fused, the other two will be working.
Okay, okay. Can I just put another way? Kirti or others are right. Manjot, I think listen, if it is series, suppose you are doing something in machine 1. The output of machine 1 will be put in machine 2 as input. And you are doing something, processing in machine 2, and something semi-finished product is coming out. So the output of machine 2 will be taken as the input of machine 3. And finally from a machine 3, the final finished product will come out. So a product will be dependent on all 3 machines one by one sequentially for production. But in parallel, it does independently sends bulb, it does independently sends bulb, and it does independently and sends bulb. Then finally, the bulbs are mixed up together, packed and sent to the market. Is that clear? So that is called parallel production. You don't know from where it has come. A bulb is sent to the market, you don't know from which machine it has come. Now what happens? From your previous practice, you also know that there is a small chance of getting defective bulbs from each machine. Say for example here, 0.005 of getting a defective bulb from machine 1, and we'll be putting this like this. What is the chance of getting a defective bulb given that it has come from machine 1? Okay. And similarly, Ajitav, Ajit, can you listen to me?
Yes,
Why
sir.
not showing your crocodile mouth? You want lemon juice, tea, coffee, or something better than
No, sir.
soft drink? Something better? Why you are like?
No, sir. No, sir.
Why you are showing your big mouth? Listen. Now here, next one is 0.01 or 1%. This is the chance of getting a defective wall from machine 2. And here, 2%, that is the likelihood of getting a defective wall. All of it clear? Then what happens? 3 machines, they produce a ball, they're mixed up, packed, sent to the market. But in one shop or one consumer, a bulb is found to be defective. Okay? Earlier, in our previous classes, what we have done, we have found probability of chance of that happening. Now, can we just find to trace back who has done this mistake? From which machine it has come from? Now you are finding a defective machine, you are going back to trace out who might have done the mistake, which machine it has come from. So when you are going back, it is something like inverse probability. Okay. Now this is done by a simple probability formula. It was given first by a person called Bayes, and that's why we name it as Bayes theorem, right? And Ajita, because you have taken one hibernation, you understand hibernation means what? What is the meaning of hibernation? A quick nap you have taken, so you answer. Now, what are the different possibilities of getting the defective wall? Ashribad Naik, take over. Can it be like this? Have a look. It could be either from machine 1 or from machine 2. Yeah.
Sir, one problem.
Sir, in second row, that should
M2
be the probability of D given that M2 equal to 0.01 or M1.
Oh, sorry. There is a type mistake. Thank you for correcting. Ashribad Jatin. Actually, DM2, DM3. Sorry, this is a type mistake. I will correct it. Thank you. Okay. Should I do it now or I will do it later? Okay. This is actually M2, M3. Thank you. It's a simply type mistake. Copy paste option many times trouble the user. So I had used the copy paste. So I think that was a mistake here done. So the second term you have correctly noted. It should be D given M2, D given M3. Okay. Now have a look. Can you Siddhant comment? Now, what are the different possibilities of getting a defective wall? So what I'm suggesting, maybe possibly it might have come from machine 1 or from machine 2 or from machine 3. So when you are taking 3 possible alternatives, I guess the way we have done that conditional probability example of getting a red ball. So here, the first event on conditional probability and second conditional probability. Chance that it is produced by machine 1, which is 0.45, and multiplied by that it is also a defective. Once होगा और defective भी होगा, दोनों को multiply करेंगे 0.45 into 0.005, ठीक है? और ये भी हो सकता है machine 2 से हो सकता है, that is 0.3, and defective भी होगा, and this, and means multiplication, so 0.3 into 0.01, right? Similarly, this, so this is the total possibilities. And if you ask, what is the chance that it will be done from machine 1? I guess it should be only the one factor taken as in numerator and all, yes please, all possibilities taken in denominator. Okay, so all of you write this formula. This is what given by Bayes theorem. Now, if we are getting a question, we'll be solving now the question. Can you mute yourself? Somebody is making noise. Okay. All of you please see what you have done. We have taken the all possibilities here and then only taken one in numerator. Manjot, you also started getting bored.
Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir.
It's okay. Suppose we are to find what is the chance it is done by machine 2. There will be a minor change in the formula. Think it over. This probability is 4. What is the chance of getting it from machine 1? If you want to find what is the chance it is from machine 2, what will be the probability? There is a minor change in the numerator only. Divisor will remain same. Not getting? सिद्धांत
एक बार रिपीट करना सर सुन नहीं पाया.
हाँ फर्स्ट आकांक्षा महापात्र एक मिनट रुक जा सिद्धांत. So actually we wanted to calculate what is the chance that it will be from machine 1 only. पहले हमने क्या किया, सारे जो alternative possibility है सारे को इकट्ठा किया. We then found कि it may be from machine 1 or machine 2 or machine 3. और का मतलब addition. और उसमें से तो machine 1 में से होगा and defective होगा. and का मतलब multiply कर दिया ये first factor को. Similarly machine 2 में से होगा and defective होगा. ये दोनों को multiply कर दिया. Third machine होगा. ये है total possibilities. Now when you are finding only from machine 1, you take only that chance only, one term. Okay. Now I was asking Manjot, now if you wanted to find, suppose in exam you are asked to find what is the chance it is from machine 2.
न्यूमरेटर चेंज हो जाएगा.
हाँ क्या होगा?
वो हो जाएगा probability of M2 into probability of D upon M2.
Is that clear, Manjot? No.
Yes, sir. So I thought you were not, you were telling me. That's why that time I did not tell you the answer.
Okay, okay. Now it's clear, all of you? Tejaswini Naik, okay?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now a small terminology, all of you may please note it down. Now this is what happens first. That ball is manufactured by a machine. Then we find the correct ball or defective ball. So now as it is happening first, this is actually termed by the person who was given the formula. So this type of probability by him, it was termed as a priori probability. You can write it that it is called a priori probability or first stage probability. And the next one, it is termed by Bayes as posteriori probability or second stage probability. It is pre, it is post. First stage and second stage. Now I would request you all, once you are getting a question, all of you try to locate, find from the question, what are my first stage probability, write in a row, and what are my second stage probability, write in second row, and third, you multiply column wise, 0.45 into this. In third row, you have to find this value, second column this value, third column this value, last term. Then you add these values, okay? And one of the value will be numerator. Varsha Barik, if you have heard me, can you please quote my last sentence, please? Quickly, Varsha.
Yes, sir. Sir, we have to make the columns of the probability of getting M1 over into probability of getting defect upon M1 and that's so on for the machine 2 and machine 3. Then we have to add that and that will be our denominator part.